Easy super cat and me say easy no man. The one sister said that talk about tough. But the girl in a Jamaica them a talk about them Bups. Yes, say Bups there. Yes, go and go eat him out, girl. Say Bups there. Me say go and go hug him up. Yes, say Bups there. Me say go and go love him out. Yes, say Bups there. Girl go and go take a set. Yes, say Bups there. Go give him a hickey on him neck. Say Bups there.
Wow, body basic. Let me not get the body in that shape, yeah? Why? One, two, stretch, 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 and down. Bend, bend, bend. Work in the waist. Woo. One, you can't feed him, not to me. I try to get my body in shape.
Man, you put you out of shape soon enough. I feed him, baby.
Well, miserably, see, I'm not under the fitness, you know, because I just feed him a while ago. Sure. Every time I work out myself, then you see one complain on me fat and this and everything. Come here. Why you so miserably? You come in like you ugly pooper. Come. Sleep. Go and sleep. You hungry? Hi, sir. No, you could have never hungry. I must have something you want for drink. Want water? Thirsty? See there? The picnic spit out the water and don't want it. Come on, man, go and sleep. He want to sleep, you know. But are you on the hammering making one go sleep? I need some action in my nigga section. Na, 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 na. Hold on, come. See that picnic doors off already. Sleep, yeah, baby? Mwah. Nice, baby. Go and go sleep, yeah? Wait there. How I want it? Ted! Ted!
What?
Guess what? Today my birthday. Why you take so long to fix the old car? Come here, man!
I'm coming, man.
Stop you coming and come. Imagine a whole half of my birthday gone and not even greet me yet.
Greet me with what?
What? Hi, you better something in the kitchen with the dirty hand and foot. You hear me?
You see me I walk for me hand? And look, man, I'm my house. I do as I like inside here. Hey, go get brush and pan and sweep it up.
Someone you can't do it. You're enjoying church.
No, me just wash it.
On my birthday today, you know. What you giving me, Ted?
What you want?
Give me the thing where the doctor order me. Give me the thing.
What? Me can't do it, man. Me have a headache. No, a joke. But remember, say Mama come out of the hospital this evening, and she have to go stay until she's much better before she go back to Coleyville. We can't do nothing tonight, just salt.
You see, you stay though. See how you stay. You always have put your mother in front of me. Last time she come 6 months ago and me just have a baby come take out her appendix. Now she come take out tonsils. What with her, so? Where she not find a man and married? Don't me no know what go want her after doctor don't dig her up. The last time she come in, she bring your brother. I can't take your mother, you know, Ted, but I can't stand your brother. He's a bad seed. He might come again.
They don't must.
That means your floor will sleep on again, Ted. So the cot you fix up is not for your mother.
Look, Mama sleep on the bed. Rain sleep on the cot. Me, you and the baby sleep out. Yes, sir.
I'm tired of them shit there, Ted. God know me tired of them shit there. You always invite people and know so you not no space to put them. If she knows that she not know if she stay, she not sell her country, me soon catch up cold and about and me cock her sleep on floor every minute. Things are not fair, man. It's not fair. Me try my best to accommodate her, right? But not every day so she don't come.
How about you coming out inside there?
Me go make nice as me wanted, because you're not treating me right. I'm not gonna throw this in the land seed on the ground, you hear me tell you? And another thing, talk cut to Tony in the kitchen, you hear me? The last time I find Tony in the baby porridge, suppose him they eat it, eh?
You want some lemonade?
No.
Good.
Me never ever get invited to come to your district yet, you know. If sickness never take your mother and she come at KPH, I'd never know her. Now you're slowly bringing in your whole family from me. Look how she look young. How she looks so young after having a two big man.
Country here, man. She had when she was 15 and when she was 16.
Rabbit business that. No wonder her husband ain't dead.
She never married.
No. So that's why you don't want married to me. Eh? That's why you don't want married to me. Look how long now me and you there together, eh?
1 year no long.
Ain't long enough though.
Hey, mind your blood pressure, you know. Hey, come drink some lemonade now, man. Come on, drink some, man.
Jesus Savior. Too much lime, man.
What?
Oh, yeah, try to cut me nature.
No, drink more, drink more.
You don't want to give me no move. So tell me something is when your mother come in.
This evening.
This evening. Ask me what time we wear. Try no say you cook, you hear me? I'm going to clean up the kitchen here, because that is all I could find this house. Clean, 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 morning, noon, and night. But it won't be forever, you're not Ted. Because you're going to find a decent place to put me and get me a helper.
How can a helper need a helper? Hey, I'm going to rent tonight to play domino.
What? Over my dead body.
Not a bad idea.
Over me and the baby dead body, if you want to know. Left me now with your mama, she can't even talk, say her throat hole. I can't tell you something, Ted. Anywhere you go tonight, I will be behind you with the picnic on my back. You hear me? You think I don't know what your domino game is all about? The last time the one when him come here, a whole trailer load of woman circle the yard. See God that, Ted. Me not think you love me, you know.
Me don't love you. Me fancy you.
Fancy me a whole year with picnic. You love me, you know. Face it, you love me. You see, Vinette, sweetheart, him left her 4 times in a year, but him always come back to her. You know why? Because him love her.
So that means if I left you, I love you more.
Of course. As long as you come back.
Damn fool.
You always run after your mother at Coleyville, you know. You look a mama boy, you. It's how long you stayed the last time you go there?
Me remember.
Me remember though. 3 months, not so.
Could be. Best 3 months in my life.
Me here, you know, Ted. And the worst in mine. You see how you're carrying on with? Just remember that there's a God above us. You hear me? I mightn't be able to see what you're carrying on with, but him can see.
Nah, tell you do.
It's a fact that I do love stuff for other men sometimes.
What?
Not all the time.
Oh,
But me always tell myself, you know, be faithful to Ted. But you know, say, anyhow, you know, make we do it tonight. Me I go find somebody else, you hear me? Cause 3 don't go in my face.
Lad, Mabel, man, you know, so doctor said too much sex not good for me. Plus, you know, sometimes it's hard to come up.
Well, my name is Dr. Love.
No, that is it.
No. All right, number one. Me want it, no. Because you always...
Me don't love me one Ross.
What?
Don't know if you please him. If I give him sweet, him say a man teach me how to fling it up. If I don't give me sweet, him box me down say I tired, and I give her the whole of him.
You don't mind you here?
Hey.
You don't mind.
Just a minute, in a man, wake up my baby, you know.
You're your baby bumbo. That's all the man think about is an asshole and a baby.
Just a minute, in the house, man.
Lord, no bother with that now.
How come him own house in a tenement yard? Mabel, this give me a little water and I feel like I'm going horse. Truck some of my cursing all morning.
Ted, come get a little water.
So what you want to do?
You don't see me a console her. So what, missus?
Put a poison in the bitch.
I said, Jackson, if you know me too loose.
Have some lemonade.
Fuck off! He man Jackson side, you know, every time Jackson left me rejoice. I'm the one you man, you know, Mabel.
Vinette, you don't have to say those things, you know.
You're lucky. You have a piece of faith and courage in a man. You're going to stay over me yard and you're balling all sake of him.
Hey, you look. Come on, Damian. Come on.
He's a Ted! My God! She pregnant, you know.
I don't remember you there.
Don't you pregnant? You're pregnant?
Yes!
Jeez.
That's why Jackson left me. And I wasn't going to tell him, you know. But you got notice on my period is dry up, so.
Come on, drink this.
Hey, you just make sure you get out of here before Mama come here, because I don't want to get the wrong impression. Just come out, man. Sure.
Wait, he mother sick again?
14.
With what this time?
Her tonsils.
Tonsils. I bet your man shall come at town come look for.
Finette!
No, me love. She must know that now that ganja can shrink cancer. So wait, why she have to come clear at town for pull out cancer?
He's the same man who cut her appendix cutting it.
He's so I feel well her up back. Anyway, Mabel, I want $50 to borrow from you. I forgot to track some country this very evening.
For what?
I can't sleep without him. When I sleep without trucks, I get rush all over my skin with bubbles and died for birth. Sometimes nightmare man for fling me off of the bed.
Well, Finette, I would not advise you to follow behind him. Take my advice. He will come back. He will come back.
You have a fake door, you know, Mabel. You're lucky. Lord. You remember when you let me attract some discussion when we just had life?
I'm not Ricky.
Sex is really sweet, though, you know. The story these better to tell. Hey, Mabel, I remember one time, you know, when me and Traxam just start out, and him came, I go have a drink, I will come in drunk. Me say we drunk. I used to when Traxam fling me upon the cat, yeah? And me say the cat could hold me a dung, a dirty we reach. And when we come from dung, a dirty me love, upon the table we end up.
Finette, nobody
Hook it.
Get down off of the table.
When I say the table could hold me, I don't know if I was an acrobat. But darling, I chop and track some.
You're so hard. You see how I treat you? Just go and put the cat inside, man.
Hey, Vinette, what is that, man, again?
Put the cat inside, you hear me?
Hey, hold on. Hey, which way are you going to be first? Right on the cat?
No control.
You shouldn't get in on Mabel. Oh, you know you're not serious.
Him.
I like how you was waiting this long time. Plus, you have much use already.
What you say, what?
No, say you shouldn't do that, man. Hey, it's one thing with me, you know, my love. You see, if I have the pan of dirty clothes I wash, and Traxam come droop me on my side playfully, I left every damn piece and I straighten the bed, me gonna hold now.
You see, you're too hot out, you know. You're too bad.
That's a thing bad with that, my love. You know, so the animal them free up themselves. You never see when they're ready for Lego yet.
Well, this cat should be okay if you win.
When come in?
Yes, me dear.
You lie.
Wait, you're lusting after me, brother.
And why not? You're lucky him not living in this yard. They would have surely rape him.
Hey, Vinette, I borrow $50.
No! Make it turn. Make Traxam turn a country with him mama. You think I built a my mind for run off him and make him stay with him there?
What a liar, no man.
I'm not lying.
You're right. You remember the last time we left you, eh? How you come over here and make up pure nice? I even go to half a tree, half naked and stark staring mad. I shout out to everybody. I want a man. I need a man. Eh? And when nobody couldn't hear you, you climb way up night up on the tree and still shout out, I want a man. I need a man. Eh? You can't fool me, Mabel. How you make me shame out half a tree? You liar brute.
Well, at that time, I didn't need a man. But right now, I don't want none. You know, so I'm pregnant.
You always want a man. You're damn money, you old fart. Alma, start cooking dinner now.
I'm telling me I cook. Me hungry pick the rice for you. Tell me something, Vinette. You all right now?
Mr. Mabel, I cut up 6 times shirt and 3 pair and pants. I just passed the razor blade through, so whop!
Shouldn't do it.
Lord, I love him, though, you see. There is nothing like a man. Me say sometimes when me see Traxam I come down the road with a snow cone cart, sweat rushing from him face to him hand, soaking all through the back of him shirt. My breast them this heave a sigh of joy. You don't find it so wicked? Lord, man, you must.
You say the smell of the grease from the car them is like a perfume. Me not even bother wash the shut them no more.
Grease and sweat and dirty shot. You know, say madman will turn you on. And I notice you wearing one of the shot then.
Yes, my love, it's my birthday. This is a signal. Like a flag. I just want another baby badly.
Oh, my friend, I can see it from your face. There will be a volcanic eruption when him touch you tonight.
If he touch me.
It must have been touch you, my girl.
Carolina, wine your body, girl. Make them know say you have it for mad them. Oh, Carolina. Oh, Carolina. Oh, Carolina, jump roller. Girl, you can jump and prance. Carolina from Bobby Pan. Oh, watch how she groove. Carolina come wine for me. Oh, watch how the girl groove. Oh, Carolina.
You like the outfit, girls? You like it? Yes. Hello, baby mother, sister-in-law, not quite yet. Vinette, you really look like all fruits ripe. My, you really light up my fire. Touch me. Mr. Fit, touch me, man. Hey, come. Where's my brother?
I'm inside.
So, Vinette, you still playing the dance all scene?
Now and then.
Come on. Give me some new move, no, man. Come. RFL. Come again. Come, no, man.
Which one you want?
Butterfly. Yeah. Back one. Yes. Come on. Yeah. Next one. This one. No. Come on for me, man. Sure. Hey, I'm here, big brother, baby father, husband to be or not to be, mama's baby from Coleyville and all them things. Hey, come on, man. Red.
Shut you, Hey, man, hey, you're looking good, man.
Like it.
So, hold on. Tell me something. How come you dress up so much? Mama not getting married?
No, not mama. Me.
What?
Yes. I lie. Go ahead. Back off, Hey, come.
Hey.
We have to go collect mama, man. Operation was a success. Doctor just missed cutting our windpipe.
Yeah?
Hey.
He should have cut it.
So, hold on. So, tell me something.
Yeah.
When you come up?
Reached town about 6 this morning.
So, I. What did you bring for Vin?
Vin.
What did you bring for Vinette?
Me. Is that enough?
Well, it could be.
What?
That buys me up.
Quick. Come. Move now. Move. Go on, go get ready now, man.
All right.
Go, man. Go.
Wicked.
Hey, girls, come check out the new computer. Watch Mama got me. It can tell you all you want to know. Mabel, tell me what you want to know.
I would like to know what time you're going to bed with me.
I want to know how much your brother love me.
All right. You know. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, what? I must have pressed the wrong button. This is asking, what is Mabel going to cook tonight for dinner?
Hey, that's a damn good watch.
Where is the son of the big brother of mine?
Don't you know man inside here sleeping?
Ladies, true and fair, honest, pretty ladies of Teddy's court, protectors of us feeble men, may I beg to take your permission and to have your permission to take my humble withdrawal into the parlor where my fair nephew sleep. Hey.
What is now? What do you know, Vinette?
What the happy righteous, man. Lots what a slick piece of man do he. As sharp as the razor blade I used to cut up tracks and clothes. Aye, you see if he must only live in this area, I have a crossroad under the clock, I would have take dirty tracks off of my mind forever. A country man in David?
Of course. Only them one that tolerate him. Plus you know see him in short. And they say short man tear sheet, you know.
Well, my love him can tear my sheet anytime. But wait, him not resemble Ted, him better looking, you know.
He have a different father, you know.
Yes. She never married.
No, sir. And guess what? The two man then dead.
She poison them that fuck.
What do your chat say? But one thing, Dovin. One of them left for a nice house, you see?
Well, I still think she poison them.
Indeed.
A state secret. If not, the one will left her the house. I wonder what track Sam would left me if I lacing food with some rat pies.
Minute. Anyway, Ted mother left her, Ted father left her the house. Me dear child, I don't see it up until now. But I hear say it look good, pretty.
Demon friend. What a thing has money, man. What money can buy these days?
If you think Seren can dress, wait till you see her. Me dear child, the last time with the appendix, you see, one piece of tight skirt she have on. I bet you with the back short she'll come with the neck full of jewels, see and wear. So wait, you never see her the last time she come with it?
No, man. You know, remember say Traxam did left me and I did have to run after him.
Well, me dear, you're going to have to go see her, you know, because she just touched 40. And how she looks so good after having the two great old man. It's a miracle.
No, man.
Dreams to remember. I've got dreams to remember. Honey, I saw you there last night. Another man's arms holding you tight. Nobody knows what I feel inside. All I know, I walked away and cried. I've got dreams to remember. Listen to me. I've got dreams.
Ted, I want to talk to you, man.
What a chuff.
Listen, I want to talk to you.
Don't ramp here, man.
Listen, you have to give up one of the woman them. And I feel say you should chop out Mabel. I mean, what she have to offer you? Not one damn thing. And you cannot have your stable girlfriend playing the part of your mother. It no look good. And Delta no like it either. Listen. Most of the old people them and the grudgeful old brute that used to give out against you fooling around with an older woman, well, them left Coleyville and some of them dead now. So you can come right back and live with Delta. Marry the woman. If you marry Delta, you would be king in Coleyville, you know, star. You can open bank, restaurant, garage, anything with the amount of money Delta have. Bank refused our money the other day, you know. Too much, them say. Thief will come upon them, and she tell me that. Listen, Ted. She feels that because she can't give you a child, you don't love her anymore. But you can adopt. Or run off with the one you have with Mabel.
You mad, man?
Well, adopt. 1, 2, 3, 9 if possible. Because she have enough money for mine all of Kingston. Ted, I can't satisfy her, you know.
What do you mean by you can't satisfy her? Anyway, when Delta your country are going with me down there.
Wow.
Hey, you see me, sir, don't run for me away. I will thump you on here, sir. I will thump you on here, man.
Come thump me now.
Hey.
Thump me now.
Just because you have a smaller brother, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do it good.
Ted, listen, her husband knows say he used to check her from when he was in high school, you know.
Huh?
And I know say from the moment the breath did leave his body, him did feel to himself, you should have controlled Delta. Marston did like you. He was very, very happy for the consideration you did show to his wife. Because he could not keep up with her. Not with that low blood pressure of his.
And she had to keep up with you, know.
Yeah, man. Look where you come to town to live into, man. Look upon the condition of this place when mansion they are co-living away upon you. Eh? It's what you see in Mabel. Delta was your first love. Mabel, she young, yeah? She look after you, yeah? But youth without security is dead. And next time, arrange for Delta to stay in a hotel. You cannot bring a well-off woman into this. It not look good. What if Mabel get jealous and left you? She is a tix. I don't understand you, know, Ted. Mama like Delta. You know that and I know that. Hey. Can you imagine how much you would get if Delta dead? Because she's got to die before, yeah? You think about that?
I don't know here, man. You want Mabel, she follow me everywhere I go.
Then left bar star, you left bar before.
Look, man, I love her. Or at least I think so. I don't know.
The bullshit coming out of your mouth, man. Yes. Love Delta money first. Then you can marry Mabel after Delta dead.
But she never dead now.
Well, go check the OBA, man.
You don't believe in them things, man.
Hey, watch her. You love her, Ted. You love her.
Who? Delta?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love her.
Yeah?
Can't wait to see her now.
Can't wait to see her now. Well, she said to give you this.
What?
4,500.
Whoa,
you know?
I know me love her. Hey, 4,000. Hold on. Hey, you swear Delta give me money? I pay her 5,000, 7,000, and 10,000. Pure round figure Delta give me. Hey, you sure this is all Delta give you? And a round with me here, sir.
And a round figure.
No, come on, man. You sure this is all Delta give you?
Why you like James Bond, man? Here, take this one.
Give me this.
Yeah, waste your time, you know, man.
Hey, book today.
Pick up the money. Look, funny.
What is going on? Money, wait. Wanna win the jackpot? Straight, wanna win the jackpot. On a big party over here and don't invite me then. Shake. What did get so much money from? And we jackpot it away.
You're too fast, man. My mother send some money from country, come lend me. My account stand it drop. Sure, hey, when me soon come.
Mine are married and I get married and don't tell me, you know. Mine are married. Wait. Oh no, what? They all thinking dirty nasty, petty at last. No man, something fishy. Anyway, since I'm not welcome, let me leave.
Leave where you go.
What do you mean where I go?
Give me the money. Let's see where you put the money, man. Give me the money.
Let go from me, be bad for rape, you know. Let go from me, man.
Bad for rape. Now go on now.
Right.
Where you put the money, Vinette?
Not there.
Where?
Further down. Over the other side.
On the side. All right. Yeah.
Look off me, you look at teeth in dirty boy, you.
Hey, where's Mama? Mama?
Me is mama last child, you know. Me is mama last child, and she always worry about you. Tell my son I am dying to see him. That is how mama is. Just dying to see you. She want no kind of Kingston Jezebel you live with.
Sure, she don't like Kingston woman, man. That's why she stay. She alright otherwise, though.
Hey, hold up now, man. Listen. I want you to set me up with Vinette, you know.
You mad? Just let me kill you.
Mabel, it's one thing I don't like, you know. And it's the sleeping arrangement.
What you don't like about it?
I think you tell and the baby should sleep in a rightful bedroom. Make up the cat cozy and nice on the floor, so make Ted Muma Galanga go leader when she come.
And where and sleep?
Over at night, please.
Yeah, easy. Sleep with you?
Well, I wouldn't make him sleep with me, I'm mad. I would sleep in my living room from the settee and give him the bed just in case tracks have him turn up. As a matter of fact, I would even open the door and make the dirty bitch come in.
You're too bad, you know. You're too bad.
Well, if temptation comes on during the course of the night, one never knows what I would do. So I want this food for?
For
I can't tell
us.
Mama can you me that short.
Man.
Then we are going so much food, man. You mean I can stay?
No, me love this is family something. Look, now the mother soon comes, so you better go on now. Go on, you hear?
So what on the why I must go?
No, Vinette, man, make look how your clothes stay. Cut here. Go on, man. If anything, me send over something for you.
But not do me love. I know not she know she not the church.
Vinette, man, you don't look right. Go on, man. How your bottom there do?
All right. Send it to the rain.
Hey, all right then. Hi, no. Come, take it now.
Then, you know, yes, I was she pregnant.
Who?
Me don't remember her name, but she had breed. Put more rice in there.
Vinette.
And then so she can't find the owner, my love. And take up that apple. Then maybe you mean to say this is all you give me after all the work I put into it. Take it rest back, man, and put more in it. You don't fucking mean. Put more in it, man, I'm too light.
And you're not getting any more. I'm going to tell you that the food not enough already. And you're come.
You want me ever mean to say? I left the big piece of chicken for Ted Mama to get good name. But you say like how me now cook tonight, I got take piece more. Fucking crave.
Hi, Vinette, man. What happened, man? We give you a piece already and you're going to take more.
Didn't you go on some new place to say I take out your chicken, man?
Put it back, Vinette, man. You know, say Ted mother come and you and him can't agree already.
Do you for extra from here, Ted Mama come?
Come, man. Me don't have a bad way, man. You have a really bad way. Vinette, come on to the partner, man.
Just a little gravy, just a little gravy. I saw them frightened over in-law. It tastes good though. It's real, it tastes good.
Don't tell her you can share.
Hey, no more! Back to me! Cool!
You see her?
You're too fairy. You're too raspy. Now you're going to look like that, let me off. You're black sky, up in the man. Mabel.
What?
It tastes good though.
You're not getting no more though.
It tastes good. Tell me something. What have you take just some nice and meat them and they look good here?
Yeah, look good.
Especially Ted. Oh Lord. Put some rice cream upon the floor, Cinderella. But I hear Cinderella, pick them up. So wait, why they never carry you with them?
I don't know me there, so then stay. So me not mind, me not matter, sir.
Anyway, give me one drink.
Just take it and go on, man. Sure.
Your fridge empty door. Miras. Come here, neighbor.
You can't bother them, man.
Come the man, taxi out there.
What?
Taxi out there, then come. Oh God, them look good. Them look good.
She look nice, man.
Yes, me love.
So she can't dress though.
American clothes. Jesus, what does she kiss up Ted?
Yeah, so much she dress in her.
Does she kiss up Ted and I hug up Ted? Oh yes.
You know what she kiss her on?
Lord.
She loves me, see?
Our favorite Sunday.
Watch them.
What
Kiss
have you
again.
Brown and Young? What have you Brown and Young? You ever meet any more of the family yet?
No, sir.
No. Then wait. How come she come for stay? How much I go with so much luggage, man?
No, man, that's what she says. She travel with everything what she wants.
Oh God, look how she kiss up These are the times I lost track. 20 years from now, when will become a
No mind, Vinette, no mind. You hear? Oh.
Put the other piece of chicken.
No. You have to go on now. Me can't make the lady come here the big cold balling. Go on now. If anything, me will call you.
All right, and thank you for the food.
Yes, go on.
Neighbor, you really mean say I can't stay with you?
No, man, just go on, man. Just
good evening.
no, man, just go on. Go on, man. Sure.
Mabel? Mabel? Where is this woman?
Mabel!
Hey, sit down and rest, mama. Sit down and rest. Sit down and
Oh,
rest. Come on.
thank you, dear.
Would you like a cool drink before dinner?
Oh, yes, thank you. Oh, it's so hot.
Well, I'm glad to know that everything is all right, mama.
Yes, dear.
Glad to know that your show turned out all right. And here you go, ma. Here you go.
Oh, thank you, dear.
Oh, sorry, we don't have any ice because the fridge didn't work properly from the other day. Yeah, man, you look good, you look good.
Hello, Miss Delta. So pleased to see you again, ma'am. Only sorry that his sickness make we have to meet again, ma'am. Pleased to see.
It's Mabel's birthday, no, mama.
Oh, Ren? Yes, Mama. Ren, you can get the medicine out of the suitcase for me, dear. I have to drop some in the throat right away.
Come in, Mama.
Oh, whose birthday you said it was?
It must be my one, ma'am. I'm sure you know when your son them born.
Oh, happy birthday, dear.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
You know, if I had known, I would have gotten you something.
It's okay, ma'am. It's okay.
But anyway, I hope you'll accept one of these bangles. Real sterling silver, you know,
Oh,
dear.
thank you very much, ma'am. Say, look here.
Hey,
You never
give
give me enough.
sign.
You never
Give
give
me
me enough.
enough.
You never give me enough. What she give me? What you look like?
Give me the bank.
No.
See it here, mama.
Give me the...
Ted.
Ma'am?
Oh, you can drop some of this in the throat for me, dear.
Sure.
Mabel, where's the mirror?
Oh, there's one inside the bedroom, mama.
No, ma'am. It's better if you use the one in the bathroom, ma'am. It is much bigger.
Yes, dear, that would be much better.
Where you go?
Medicine in our throat.
Why? Well, no mother look nice, you know. She really look nice despite all her illnesses.
Yeah. Mama take good care of herself.
I see that, yes. I'm gonna love her. Boy, you see when she come, your brother done with me, you know. Done with me.
Yeah.
Anyway, I like the food that she look. I hope she like the food to look after fear.
Yeah. Mama will eat everything.
Not everything. Not with that throat you want.
Throat?
Of course, the tonsils, what? You forget?
So Mabel, so what? You never make any soup for her?
Of course we make soup. So wait, how you look so frightened? I know it's what, you know. I know it's what. You miss your country girl, don't it? You miss your country girl, man. Talk it truth.
Yeah. Hey, Ted, hurry up, no man. I want to use the toilet.
Leave us alone and go and piss outside.
My gosh. How she attack so strong with the bad throat?
The medicine is working, you know. Yeah. Who said I want piss?
I don't want you to wet up yourself like when you was a baby.
Your mother not easy, you know. You say when your brother left me again, I'm going to come right a country for you. Watch and see, right a country for you.
Oh, yeah. I always thought you never like a bone in me, Mabel.
And everything that you are born.
Like what?
Come, I don't have enough space, so you better eat your dinner right here, so now.
So you want me at the table?
Of course.
And where else?
But see, I already behave yourself here. Behave yourself, you brought order.
If you start it,
Start what?
showing interest in me.
Jesus, I'm Savior.
Mosquito!
Mosquito. Oh my God. You and your mother suffer, man. That is worse than the appendix. Me have to go give her a hug.
No. Maybe. Go share out your food and come. Go share out your food and come and we eat together.
Well, all right then.
Yeah.
Tell me something. Your mother don't have a man.
My mother's a very respectable lady, you know, Mabel.
No, not something mean, Ren. I mean like a decent man in the district that might be checking her, you know? Wait, you think your mother untouchable?
Mabel, I never said that.
Anyway, talk the truth. You see, if I was her age, and look as young as she look, and you're not my son, not a girl up and you see. Tell me something, Ren.
Wow.
You not go bed with me?
Say what?
What do you mean in for what? Me dear, your brother Skylark. I over 6 months now you don't water my garden.
You like?
True.
Come let me reel out my hose now.
Be yourself.
Come.
Red,
Come.
Ted.
Hey,
You
Ted.
can't pan you.
Come, man.
What am
Hurry
I
up,
saying in there?
Ted.
Oh gosh, Miss Delta. The medicine make you sweaty, man?
Yes, my dear. The heat is in there.
Oh yes, ma'am. That bathroom is so hot.
You know, but I feel 1,000 times better.
Oh, that's good, ma'am. That's good. Just sit down right here, say here, ma'am. I'll soon be ready.
Mabel.
Eh?
Pass a towel for me now.
Me don't have any more clean one, Ted. You better use your shirt. Just sit right there here, ma'am. I'll soon look after some soup for you.
Mama, whenever you want moments to drop in your throat, just call me. Mabel, get me dinner ready now, man.
You just me go look after your mother one first. Hold on a bit. So, Miss Delta,
Yes, dear.
how come you don't ask about your grandson, ma'am?
My grandson?
Oh, yes, ma'am, your grandson.
Hey, you don't know my son, no, man?
You did?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Remember I was pregnant the last time you was here, ma'am?
Oh, oh yes.
Yeah, hey, Mabel, Mama's just kidding you. You don't notice that.
Well, anyway, Miss Delta, now you see how your favorite son treat me, ma'am.
So you mean there's a baby in this house?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Me and Ted baby, ma'am.
So how is the sleeping arrangement going to go? Because I am not sleeping on the cot.
Oh, that's all I raised, Mama. Is Rain sleeping on the cot?
Oh. And where are you going to sleep?
Well, me and Ted sleeping out here in a mattress that we borrow from Vinnet, ma'am. Me, Ted, and the baby.
So why can't my 2 sons sleep with me? Because we have a lot to catch up on, you know, and you and the baby sleep out here.
But that's sore throat, ma'am. Anyway, don't blame me, ma'am. It's Ted make the arrangement.
You know, I just forget about the sore throat when I see my 2 sons together.
But, Miss Delta, if you want to sleep with Ted, it's okay with me, ma'am. I won't be offended.
What I want must be okay.
Wow. Use the fuck, yeah.
My dear, you must learn to cook. There's no pepper in this soup. Ted, just pass me a Scotch bonnet here.
No. Mama, just keep it, man. I want some pepper, though.
Darling, you have no sense of humor, so
You want this?
So, Miss Delta,
yes.
which one of your sons you like the best, ma'am?
Depends on which one is closest to me. But everybody knows Ted is my favorite.
Yeah, but while I'm in the country, I'm Mama's favorite.
Darling, you are just a substitute.
What did you say a while ago?
Huh?
What did you say?
An institute.
There's one thing, though. I'm just dying to have another baby.
And what are you going to man it with?
Well, sir, Ted says anything. We can always come down the country to live at your house because you have a big house and lots of money,
Is
ma'am.
that so? Did he tell you that?
Yes, ma'am.
Mama.
Ted, you remember the time we made in that room and you
No.
I can have a me in the room and you said to Ted, anything, and we have more.
So. Hey,
Wow.
why did the old man drink the rum?
You don't know.
He can't eat it.
You know your sweetheart, this dirty piece of tail is a blood rat to us. Don't jump up! Don't jump up and go like you don't know it's what you know. It's when you got that shot comes to me pregnant feet. No matter with that mouth. It doesn't tell me. Why?
It's what?
So the letter I mean it's fine. It's because I want drug some let me drug some day in a breed for.
How am I right in that?
How feel me?
My dear, my son wouldn't have time to write to the likes of you. I don't know where you come from, your virago.
Who is this big stretch out crotches woman? Who is you? Who is you? Let's see how trouble can come like lightning.
What about that you go and talk about? What you talk about?
Me say me did a Mabel. If you don't want the poor child left or no, we are hard up like say you're dopey,
Hey, shut your mouth, you lying old whore, you. Is you the same one tell me say you like Ted and you would have left tracks on the moment Ted pull him zipper?
Hey, look at syphilis, boy. Let me tell you that. Where are you want an argument I tell you that, dirty boy?
This is real amusement.
Woman, country woman, you should be a damn shame of yourself for a so big, dirty, worthless boy like them, yeah.
Vinny, tell me the God truth. You sleep with Ted.
Well, I never did really sleep with him. It's just one long time ago, he moved me down on the pipe stand. And seeing that I saw man, what to expect? None of that tracks I'm like me pregnant for you. Don't cry, Mabel, don't cry. Because the little thing we do around the pipe stand could get me pregnant.
My dear, you look like you'll get pregnant just by looking at a man's front.
Woman. Country woman. Woman with the Bob Marley funeral underneath. Not for your man to be sure. You kill him and them so you can get them house and them money, you dirty red hole. Something. You see, truck Sam don't come back and mind that belly. You forgot to take it, you know. Because right now, I'm not too sure if I know your one.
Listen, Vinny, you don't go too far now. Just go on out of my house. So you hear me, just go on.
Just go on. Maybe just go on. Because the only one going like some is the only nastiness in the area. And you say when they say you're going to set me up with rain.
Hey, come on, nobody don't want you.
Who want you? Any man may make peace up themselves, me no want. Where dirty boy, where? It's fool, me ever fool forgot them with the whole worthless dirty family like Uno. Uno love no mama too much, Uno love no mama so.
Cheer up, woman.
And come carry me out to dirty nasty boy, come carry me out.
You don't have to do them things, Vinny.
Where? Maybe they don't want you come protect straight from you. And him do it too. Uno dirty junk crowd, go back and country, go down dead frog.
Fish is spit by me.
I have never. Ted, how come you got mixed up in this dirty neighborhood, sleeping with a mad street woman?
Hey, look.
It's all right. It's all right. Do answer me. She's a nasty woman, man.
Don't call me nasty, you big old dirty country whore, you. I will burn down this Ross place if you don't fuck around me people and you know. You believe because trucks I'm gone, I feel now, no? I'm going to watch you the cloud like, I don't even think they're related. I don't even think we're related. Mabel, you're going to send call me. You're going to send call me, Mabel. I get a dream. You're going to send call me. On a dirty jam truck.
Joe, she sick my stomach to rotted.
She stick your stomach? Since when she stick your stomach, eh? Since when she stick your stomach? You make sure that your stomach is alright. While my one is there empty, I will never forget this birthday. Never, ever. I want a man!
So that kid out here,
Cut out your ass, that's what I want cut out.
Get down off that chair and don't speak to my son in that manner.
Face it, woman. Your son is a cloud hole. Come on, man.
She's rude.
Come and do that to us. Come.
you got respect for mother, you hear me? You got respect for mother.
It's all right. I'll go and hush the poor child.
Don't touch me, Pitney, before I broke your backside. You hear me? Don't touch me, Pitney, woman.
You say, man, hey, look on this.
I'm sick and tired of you, no lady. Every time I left you come out and come here, come mess in my life. You son of a big man, leave me alone, make you live your life now. I hate it now. Get tired of it, woman. I just stay in the country.
Dad, is that how you're going to allow your sweetheart to treat you in your own house?
Listen to me once. Me, I tell you this once. Apologize to mama, no, you hear me? Apologize to her, no! alright? You alright?
Hey, Star, me a go home, you know.
Go home here, man.
Hey, listen, brother, me not feel say we too welcome out here, you know.
It's all right, Ray. You don't have to go anywhere. You're quite welcome.
Mabel, I just feel restless.
Rain, you can't go, man. Tomorrow you can go down. What is wrong with you?
Take me out so we fix up the cot, please. Ren, the baby did wet.
No.
I beg you help me carry a mattress from over Vinette here.
Is that where you're getting the mattress?
Hey, Mabel, she not go and lend us, you know.
She will lend it to me, you know. Vinette is quite all right. It's just her mouth. She will lend it to me. She's the kindest person in this yard.
My dear, I'd rather go to a hotel.
Come, Ren. Give me the bag. Let me put it inside.
Wait.
Wow.
Come here. When you go down the road, buy a pack of 6-pack.
A pack of 6-pack.
Anything, man, just buy some.
A pack of 6-pack. Dread, yo.
Ooh. That woman. Just the thought. Ted. How could you? How could you?
You mean, Vinette? Oh, that's not the man, just like 1 hour from the pipe side.
How much? What the hell is that? 1 off. Oh.
Look, let me explain to you. Let me
Explain.
look, this is what.
There's nothing you can say can make me forgive you for this. Nothing.
Listen, man.
Just go away.
I
Just
go
go
like
away.
pipe side,
I
and she
said go
bend-
away. I don't want to.
She been around there and go outside.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
I'll stop giving you pocket money.
Hey, hold on. Remember, you have a bad throat?
So I don't drop something into it.
Ah, you mean my medicine? Hey. Ooh. Hey. My ear and your teeth. No. Ease up. Is that maybe better off on top?
Don't stop. Don't.
No. Me not passing labor.
What happened, Ted? I'm coming up.
Get the smelling sack, quick! Get the smelling sack! Mama! Don't save me, Mama! No, let me see Kashi. Oh, Mama, please. Jesus!
What happened?
You passed away. I mean, you passed out. Oh, God.
How it happened?
Listen, me and mama just say I talk about all the time. And mama get so emotional, so carried away, she just faint. Just like that, you know. At the same time you walk in. Oh God, mama. Oh, you alright, man? You don't need to go to the hospital. No. Sorry. Oh God, you alright? You sure? Me and when you come back, Papa.
Some part of my money me off for Shirley and me want PR now.
Alright. You have money?
Yes.
You have money? How much you are?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Hey, PR for 3 months. PR for 3 months. Yeah. Go on. Here, 3 months, do.
You sure you don't want me to stay alone?
No, it's all right, because my man likes to close to strangers. All right. Go. Yeah.
All right, then.
All right. Oh, God. What do you want?
You think we nearly get caught? So why we don't run away and get married? Anywhere you want to go, America, anywhere.
Look, I love you. We can't just run off like that.
You know, and I can't have a baby, and that's what's killing our love.
All right. We'll try much harder tonight, all right?
So why you want to stay here with that woman? Surely you don't want to marry her.
Oh, come on. Let's not talk about her now. Eh? Let's talk about ourselves. You know, I think we were here before, in another life, as man and wife. Hey, we used to fight plenty though, eh? And then I finally got a divorce, and I met maybe a second life. And we get married, and she killed me.
Why?
Because of jealousy. Because you come right in to interfere with us, hmm?
You know that's not getting me anywhere right now. Listen, I can't afford to share with her. Not in 1,000 lifetimes. After tonight, I'm not coming back to Kingston. After all, I have more rights to you than she has.
Hey, I tried the best to run out of my life, but it looks like she really loves me. I can't just run her like that.
My dear, you're not trying hard enough. You know, I think I'm going to tell Mabel the truth about us. I can't bear to know you're living here with her, man. I want to take you away from all of this. I can't stand it any longer. You know?
I can't be hearing right, eh? You are the one who said you don't mind sharing me as long as you're number one. Which you are, eh? Plus a year, so you also have other men.
Which other men are you talking about? You know what? You seem to be getting the best of both worlds. Everything your heart desires, I'll give it to you.
Hey, look, we're not here to quarrel, you know, man. Hmm? Remember, you used to have all of me when I was much younger. Eh? We couldn't keep our hands off each other. You used to call me a sugar candy. But after all those times, man. Well, look, man, Mabel love me. Plus, we have the baby to think about.
I understand how Mabel feels. God knows, gosh, she got the shitty end of the stick, but it's not my fault. I didn't plan it this way. It just happened. But she's standing in my way, you know. I hope you haven't been sleeping with her. You promised me.
You want to ask her when she comes?
want to ask her.
Hey, look,
Listen,
she's the woman I live with. She's my baby mother. And in about 3 months, I don't
that's
talk
not
now.
my-
I'm
that's
from
not
man,
my
she be
problem.
married about give me the thing with that all of me. Hey, look, I say, don't get possessive now, man. You hear me?
Yes, I'm getting possessive. Because you see the clothes on your back, I paid for them. And also the one Mabel is wearing. And also the furniture, I paid for them with my money.
I tell you what you do. When you're ever going, pack your ass friends in your bag. You hear me? Pack everything on you. Tell you, sir, I can have the clothes on you and you go. Do everything, yeah? Let's go.
You think it isn't?
Hey.
Shut up.
Hey, I don't like this kind of argument, you know, man. You were the one who insisted on coming up this weekend.
Insisted. Well, maybe I should leave since I'm not one of your baby mothers.
Well, I love you, but you're getting a bit too jealous now.
So why never come and visit me this weekend?
I can't come on every weekend.
So you don't want to go to America again?
Of course.
You know what? I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Yes.
What is that?
Here's the papers. And the keys to this brand new car I
What kind
bought.
of car? What kind of car? What kind of
A
car?
Lada. You know, since you're not working, you could run a taxi service. But you know, if you married me, you wouldn't have to work. And you could come and visit me every weekend.
Every weekend.
Yeah.
You know, you're really nice to me, you know. But I keep telling you, you don't have to keep buying me expensive presents, you know.
That's all right.
Lada. Just make sure you don't have any other man with me. Huh?
Hi, neighbor, remember when I tell you about my mattress, you know, not dry to the dirt, man. When I live with man, and if I make them down my things.
Push, man.
Damn hog. Ted. Ted. The what?
The cock.
I could have sworn you said the cock. Imagine, on my birthday, right? And look how hard them fair work. I mean, never send can't call nobody. You know something can't get the mattress and you say, make you move the table and you know where I'm going to put it. May I beg you give me a hand with the table? Come on, come, move and go to my bed. Alright, sir. Give me a hand with the mattress now.
What?
Give me a hand with the mattress, man. Sure.
All right. Come.
It's all right. Forget it. Just forget it. Take me, I beg you, pass the sheet from me and then suitcase on top of the dresser. Quick. What a day, doing? What a day. My poor mother could have seen me now. So what him now? Pass the suitcase. Run me, I beg you, pass the suitcase here because it look like someone intend to give it to me.
What for?
So where you think the baby are sleep in now? Just hurry up, man. Why then slow you, man? Not take the whole day to pass more and go on my bed. Then don't spoil my birthday.
Ted, when you're finished, please come and drop some of the medicine in the throat for me, dear.
Aye, sir. Hurry up now, man.
Hey. Maybe what is maybe? Hey, you know, so when me there Ochi, maybe I'm more be a pair $1,000 a night hotel me used to stay in. What is going on here, maybe?
If you want $1,000 a night hotel, just go on up the road here, Pegasus and Sheraton, just up there, sir.
But maybe where am I going to put my head?
Put it between your foot. Ted, where you set up something this up for now? Suppose people want pass in a night.
Nobody will be passing up and down. We all will be asleep.
And what if your mother want to use the toilet?
She inside here, no, she not going to want to go again. You think she'll duck?
Ha, duck.
Just give me the food.
Hey, baby. Watch out. You not get anything tonight, you know.
We know, we see.
I don't want to.
What the other sheet then?
Good night, all.
You want a hot cup of Milo before you go to your bed, ma'am?
No, dear, it's been a trying day.
Hold on. Can't stand her.
Night, mama.
Yes, ma'am? Yes, ma'am?
I beg you, please come home, this baby out of the way here.
Stephen, if you're grand picnic. Oh, boy. Come here, June. Papa? So much noise I heard make you can't get free sleep properly. Shh. You know, Master, just left me alone. You hear me? Just get up off of me.
What?
Right now, I just feel like I could have run away from your Ted. Just if I never for the baby, I just pack up my sitting them and gone. Leave me alone now. To the whole day, I want you never fought for me. I know if in the place full of people you want to come jump me, get up off of me. Leave me alone, man. Run me, I beg you hurry up to the bathroom here because I want to go to my bed. Just get up off of me. Get up. Just leave me alone. You're not going to put the medicine in your mama's throat. Get up off of me. Ren, Hurry up, man. Where you put on? I want to use the bathroom, you know.
I'm coming.
Sure.
What? Yeah. Ooh. What happened, Junior? Me say. What happened, Junior? Yeah, right there. Yeah. What? Oh. Family. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Hey. That Mabel is a real fool, you know. But I like her. And you know what? I feel say you like her too.
Like her, yes, but what? She can't give me house and money and car. Hey, you see me with boy, I have to live big, you know.
Yeah.
But it's like I want to live with both of them at the same time. You know, they just make my life full right up. Hey, this is the best time in my life, you know. I just wish you could have gone on forever and ever and ever.
Hey, well, why you not just tell Mabel the truth? Maybe she might just consent to what you are doing. And you know what? I feel say Delta won't mind either. And you know, them say, in Africa, a man can have many wives.
Hey, well, this is Jamaica.
Big it up, Billy.
Come the tenement.
Oh, hey, you have a job on your hands tonight, you know, man.
Yeah, me don't want no help, though.
What?
Hey, remember, you know, don't fall asleep too tight tonight here, sir. Just remember what go up, right? As soon as you come out for the cut, right? Me just sit right in front of the bed. And then you just move over and just, right? And then Master Arm said the coffee hot no bitch, man.
You still tell that they still joke there? Still no.
Every time I remember I joke, never laugh. Good.
Listen to me, Rain. Just get up off of the mattress. Come and don't show you where you sleep, man. Take up your big old tough self. Sure. Ren, who tell you to give me pick in the white room? Don't ramp with me, you hear me? Come in and want him fool like the breed I know. Vinette. Vinette. Open the door for me now. Jesus Christ, out there so dark. Anybody could... Vinette.
What if I don't hear a gunman come for real, please? Lord, the Lord is my shepherd. I shall never do what I am doing again.
Vinette is me. Mabel is not. Duppy is me. Mabel, open the door now. Vinette, open the door. It's me, Mabel.
Mabel?
Yes. Lord, Vinette, me nearly have a heart attack for a while.
What you want?
Me nearly have a heart attack for a while. Tell him to kiss up a lady when you say I'm mother.
You know, I was just inside here dreaming of tracks and was hammering my body. There should be a law against people like who stop people from coming, you know. Oh, you mean tell that kiss up in mother? But down on my bed.
No, Vinette, no.
What time is it now?
2:30, I go 3 o'clock.
And you come wake me up, my granny.
No, Vinette, listen to me now. Me say me go to the bathroom and me come out. Me say run out the bed with me.
Rain? What's who come?
Oh, Jesus. God, out here so cool. God, hurry up, Vinette, hurry up.
Man, what you mean running a bed with you?
Come on, make we go. Come on. Follow me if you think alike. See where you see for yourself. You see?
But that is dead. Shh. You know, say take that man.
I don't understand. Hold on there. Come and see when at the bedroom with her.
Listen, no, man, we come with me put on bed for man.
No, Vinette, I could have swear, Mr. Say, I'm Brendan at the bed with me.
Oh, this is a man, John, I love the excitement. Listen, I want to feel that boy running inside. There's not the son of that woman, you know, it could be I love.
You know, so you could be talking the truth.
Hey.
Oh my God, when we go into them was arms in arms, you know.
Same thing then now. So you say I Ted, you say you see.
I Ted me see, Ren at the bed. Me don't know.
So wait.
Me don't know.
Nobody now use the cart.
Ren was in the cart. And then...
Poor thing. It must be uncomfortable and look how you could send him over. Anyway, all right, remember go use the bathroom then.
Sorry to wake you up here, Vinette. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Nah, phone a man, you know, when me asleep, make me sleep, man. I've been on no companion.
I'm sure. Go over.
Sorry, Vinette. Sorry.
Come on!
Hold on a minute.
Take off the clothes!
Let me peace, man. Let me peace.
Come your piece and come. Be straight, be straight. Come, me love you, look, I'm when I want to ride this show. Yes, where I go?
Walk here, man.
And where I run go? Come stay with me tonight, no man.
Tonight, you might be crazy. No, not tonight. Tomorrow.
What you mean tomorrow? Imagine you get it no one want it. You know how much man out that street want it and can't get it. Never put off for tomorrow what you can do this morning. Come, let's go.
No. Listen, Vinette, listen. I have a little business to take care of in the morning, right? So feel no way. It's not like I don't want confident, but my hands are tied.
When me not see no string pan it. Come, man. Come, me put it on the table then.
Hey. You must have drink my puss piss.
table here, so. On a ramp put on a body. On a body too careless and lazy. From the love. Pick up this rascal. Come. Wait now. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Get up, man. Come. Wait now, man. Fix yourself. Go down now, man. Suppose me. Come. Take your time. Come up. Look what from me, man. Look what you always have trouble people in your man. Oh. Look what from me now, man. Every time people ever get something, you start them.
Go on, Ariana. Go on.
I want a man. I must ever get a man tonight.
All right. Cut me wheel up my horse.
Right there.
Come on.
Right there.
Yeah.
Hide that. Master, I don't want no political me, yeah?
Talk to you now.
What?
I want to talk to you.
I don't want to talk to you.
Listen to me now. About the foolishness this morning. I just have a very weird dream, you hear me? And it concerns your mother, so you better talk to me now.
What mother?
I think in future I better take her to a hotel.
Who give permission to think?
Don't ramp with me this morning, you know. Just don't ramp with me, you hear me tell you? I have a feeling that something fishy is going on, you hear me tell you? And I now stop till I get to the bottom of it, you hear me?
You lose your nerves, man. You want to see the doctor?
If me I lose my nerves, I hear your generation then cause it. Listen, I feel like me want your mother out a year, you hear me? Out a year.
You lose a score too?
Yes, the one that you get to your mother. You think I don't know say something fishy I want, no?
Me know what trouble you, man. That's why you wake up miserable. But remember, when me did want it earlier, you never want it. Eh? Go on your bed.
You can come here a minute, please, darling. I need.
Oh no, see, Mama want me. Remember, see her, she's sick with her throat. Oh boy.
You really think you go lie down, daylight make you wait?
What?
Day soon light, lie down and make you wait.
Hey. Mama need me now, man.
So me not need you to lie down.
What's that? Baby, look. I'm never just make sure it's a Delta, all right?
What you say what?
Huh?
What you say, little while?
Huh?
Delta or mama?
Then a mama named Delta.
What the hell? Listen to me now. Just lie down your ear. Can't say you must fix it.
Hey, look. Baby, look.
Time out. I will go.
When?
What?
see you like that man, they have to look over this yard, so him, and I want to him. I'm going to come out here naked one morning for you see what you want to see. Look at nasty rat. Take me basin and me... Go wash me daylight. I want to wash. I want to wash me back. And him not a look, you know. Healthy body. Not good body. Wash. Make us see if I can hit the road now. Lord God, the water.
Lady, you not afraid to catch cold sick or you half naked at the early morning, yeah?
Oh man, you know, so you frightened me. I think it was a man up here come to rape me off, you know.
Sorry, ma'am. Is this where my studios live?
I don't know nobody name, sir.
I got a so...
It's warm to you, ma'am. Somebody around you down. Don't put it on you. What do you
We come from country early this morning, and when me show the taxi man the address, him say I'm not coming in this area. He's a hand-card boy came to the entrance of the lane, and him say him now come no further for love nor money.
You're still lucky say him carry you so far. Is we ever know that the basket thing, summer?
No, you think, ma. I some cabbage me get from the back garden, some pork me can, and 2 live cat me off in my studio Sunday dinner.
I don't take them the 2 cat there right now.
No, ma'am, you can't get none. So tell me something, ma'am. You don't know where my studio live?
No, man. So who is, please, ma'am?
No, boy, them mama. Mother? Yes, the mother. Where them live, ma'am? Where them live, ma'am?
Right over there, sir. Right over there, sir.
Look, them nice house of country and come live here, sir. I'm going to bust down the door and go in.
No, bust it down. No, bust it down. Come and make carry you so we can walk and you're surprised everybody seeing that you don't see your children this long time.
You go and lead the way because I don't know it.
You come.
Thank you for coming.
Good morning. Generations of vipers, good morning. I'm gonna get up now.
What? Leave them nice house of country, come live here, sir. But people live on the floor. Is that all right?
I couldn't tell you, no, man. I couldn't tell because I don't have no luck. Next thing you go here, see me carry you come here. I gone.
Well!
Hey! Backside in there this morning!
You worthless son of a drunkard, get up. You worthless son of a brood, get up. So you have a woman in town.
It's who you?
Who you slut of a woman have my son living in this filthy place?
Why don't you get beside me?
Because they're worthless like you, that's how we reach there. I bet you tell you never live such a nasty life. You bring down shame on me. Get out, man. You bring down shame on me.
Who this?
Ren, whose baby is that?
It's my baby.
Ren, you mean to say you have a baby sleeping in a suitcase and a dirty one on the floor? Is that the way I brought you up? Is that the way I brought you up, boy? Tell me now. Talk to me.
It's who you, woman?
Boy, cool. Under my baby, mama.
Mama? Is your mother that right?
Shut up. He's that chink. I will go back and call the police for you.
What is
Get
going
over here. I said, whose baby I got?
It's my baby, woman.
Your baby? Where said? Ted!
Ted, come here, quick, come here, Ted.
You better come.
Oh, where Ted there now?
Mama. What are you doing, man? I'm so glad to see you, son. And to beg my squash came here early this morning. And look what Ren and that dirty woman bring you to. You're leaving for country right away, man.
Listen to me now, woman. I don't know who you be now, how you be to them boy, but maybe you come out here because you look like you ought to come to kill my picnic.
What a piece of chink, Ted. Tell her where I am. Put your hand down, tell her where I am. You what? You what? Kill the mother. Oh.
Baby, I get some smelling salt.
What is that all this commotion about?
My God, Delta, you're a part of this too?
What is going on in here this morning? What is going on in here this morning? Baby, what is wrong?
Vinette, nobody revive her. She better off dead.
Hold up, one to you.
Oh, God, Vinette. Lady there, Ted and Ren mother. The other one are bogus. She and Ted are carry on.
I love Ted.
But what a rash woman like this doing? What do you mean you love Ted?
What are these things
Whose
about?
baby is this?
It's my son, ma'am.
Come, pass me that baby. Yes, ma'am. What a beautiful grandson. Hand him to grandma. Ah, lovely. But Delta, whose child is it? Delta can't have a child at her age.
I'm telling you already, Mom, it's my baby. I'm Ted baby, Mom.
Hey, baby, you mean to God say you sit down there, ball. Instead of your box down the rash woman. Before you tear the thing off her rash, too.
Jesus, Savior, not even a scratch. Let me cut class. Let me cut.
No, nobody look for no cutlass, because when you did for chop, you never chop. You nobody look for
Can't believe this happened to me.
Ted, what's going on here? Explain it to me, please.
Oh, look, my father on there, so. Mama, it's all my fault here, ma'am.
I should say.
I just got mixed up with this love affair with Delta from I was small, and I just never know what to do.
And this thing in your pants never know what to do with itself. You're too girly, girl. You're too...
Hey, Jeanette, I'm afraid I talk to you no more.
Hey, if you want to come say no to me, me tell you about your mama, you know.
Aye.
Not you, ma'am, the other one.
Sorry. How old is he?
Mom,
How old is he?
6 months, Mom.
I hope there'll be another one on the way soon. What you say about that, son? Buster, what you say about that?
Vinette! Vinette!
You do that.
You know your trucks have come!
In backside, I can't let you know.
Wedding next week.
Wedding, mama?
Yes, you to marry to her. I need more grandchildren.
Hey, Mom.
Yes, darling. Go and get ready. We're leaving the country right away. I'll take you for a walk.
Oh, Vinette.
Terrible
You
people.
hear that? Me and
Oh,
marry.
Lord.
Everybody deserves Ted ring is me.
Yes, man, I'm like
All I
that.
want me put up
like
with.
you.
All I want me put up with, Vinette. Vinette, never making me cheap right
Yes,
here.
ma'am, but you can't make Marie cook the food. It's
I don't want to come and want to mash up my life, eh? Why?
Anyway, I am leaving. But Ted, darling, I'll be here for you if you ever need me. Like a cow ticks.
Go ticks in your ass. Hurry up and go for the paper. You must feel it nice today. Oh, Dad, that's how you season, girl. Oh, Dad. I'm right. Come now,
I like fear we have to say for yourself, you know. When I like to know where me stand. Oh.
Nobody know where you stand. It done, yeah, so it done, darling. Is that like come stay with me, I will pepper him. Come, me love you, mommy.
Say.
Come now.
Hold on, finish. Let me hear what I have to say. Talk to me.
Me only sleep with that because I love you, you know.
But see ya, you sleep with that because you know me. How you work that out?
Come on, speak up now and forever take paper.
You see all the furniture and thing inside there. If you have money buy them, you know, Mabel.
No bother with that, you hear me? No bother with that, cause my partner money buy the bed, you buy in there, soccer out. You hear me?
Mabel, we are dashing the bed. We are buying a new bed, Mabel. We are start life anew,
Can you think it look right? You think it fair? For me lie out upon floor while you in there make love to her, talk to God through. You think that fair?
Look, me only have sex with her.
Oh, man.
But I make love to you. And if you make one little sex come between our love, then something really wrong. Mabel, I'm glad to you run her, you know. You know that me I try to get rid of her. Mabel, every time you try to believe her, you know. You try to say, come man, come show the baby, you know. Me say, Mabel, every time I think about it, I'm sad. The one thing you ever have in the world.
Wicked man. It's alright, Ted, no cry. I know that there had to be a good reason behind all of this. You wouldn't just hurt me so. It's alright, Ted, no cry. I will never leave you nor forsake you.
Bittersweet memories, that is all you are gonna get from here.
My God. Me forgot the truck sound come. Hey, hey! My volcano going rough tonight!